how to add photo in your Canva resume. So let's get started with it. So what you can do is choose one of the resume that you made, and then here you can see at the left side of your screen there is an option called upload. What you need to do is tap on upload and you can upload your files here. Just tap on upload files and choose the picture that you already have on your device and set it accordingly. Just arrange it accordingly to your Canva. And another way is go to frames. And after going on frames, what you need to do is just select the frame and then merge the picture that you have. Like if you want to make the picture circle, just click on circle and add your picture there. This will help you to create a picture in the shape you want. Just place it on the resume wherever you think it looks good. So and that way you can add photo to Canva resume. So thank you for watching this video.